Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website on Hubspot. First, access your Hubspot account. Once logged in, navigate to the website section and choose to create a new website. You'll then select a theme or template that best suits your brand. Hubspot offers many options, so take your time to pick one that aligns with your vision. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth building process. Now let's dive into design. Use the drag and drop editor to customize your theme. Change colors, fonts, and upload your logo to match your brand identity. Add new pages as needed, like an About Us or Services page, and arrange them in your navigation menu. Fill these pages with compelling content, including high-quality images and clear, concise text. Next, optimize your site for performance and lead generation. Adjust your page titles and meta descriptions for better search engine visibility. Add forms and calls to action to encourage visitors to engage and convert into leads. You can also integrate other powerful HubSpot tools, such as the CRM or marketing automation, to streamline your business processes and enhance user experience. Finally, it's time to launch your website. Before publishing, thoroughly preview your site on different devices to ensure it looks great and functions perfectly everywhere. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your website live for the world to see. Remember to regularly monitor its performance and make updates to keep your content fresh and relevant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.